Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's DIY time, and today we're going to be making the highly anticipated 2022 mini Drastic Cute calendar. So let's say goodbye to 2021 and welcome 2022. To make this Drastic Cute Mini 2022 calendar, just go to my website at drasticcute.com and print out these 2 sheets of paper. And it's absolutely free, and I really hope you love how this one this year turned out just as much as all the other ones I've done throughout the years. So part 1 right here, just print it out on a regular piece of Xerox paper. And then the second one is the stand. So this would be much better if you're able to print it out on a stock paper, just something harder, just so that the stand, when you put the pieces of paper on it, it stands a little bit better. Once you've printed these 2 sheets out, all you're going to need is a pair of scissors, some glue, and anything you want to use to decorate and color this portion right here. But before I show you this part, I'm going to show you an old video of how to make this stand. Since I've done this so many years, it'll just be much easier because it's the same thing. So the stand right here, once again, if you can, please print it out on a harder stock paper, just so it works better. And our goal right now is to basically just go ahead and cut out all the solid lines, and then at the dotted line is where I'm going to be folding. From there, now that you've cut out all the solid lines, we're going to go ahead and fold this in. So I'm going to take this flap right here and fold it right at that dotted line. And it should fold right perfectly because you've cut these 2 little grooves in. Right at the dotted line. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold that down. So right there, and do the same thing on this side. So whatever, if you have colored stock paper at home, you can make your stand different colors, but I just wanted to show you on the white stock paper just so it's easier for you to see. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and either tape or glue this panel right here together. So let's see here. I'm going to glue mine. Put a piece of paper underneath so it doesn't mess up my table. And I'm going to put some glue right here on the shaded part. And once again, you can either staple it or tape it together. It's all up to you. So from there, very simply, just go ahead and line up these 2 edges and press down and just hold it for a few seconds until it dries. And just like that, you have a little stand, nice and easy. So now that we're done with the stand, let's set this aside and get working on this piece right here. So like I said, just go ahead and color everything. And once everything is colored, just cut along these lines right here, and even this one as well, because this is just a special dates and notes. And once you're done cutting everything out, just fold everything in half. So I've gone ahead and done that just to make everything faster. And I'm going to show you right here all of the pieces I folded in half. And we're going to start off with January, facing you, and February on the back, then March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and then the special dates and notes. And so then put them all together this way, refold it a little bit, and get your stand right here and just put it right on top. And ta-da! It's all done. So they're all done. I really hope you thought this was really fun and easy to make. And once again, go to my website at drasticcute.com and download this for free. So I just wanted to show it to you in a little bit more detail every month. And I really hope you remember these drawings I've done this year. So here is January, a cute little penguin. February, of course, a lovely yummy cupcake. March, right here. And April, cute little chicken right here. May with our frog. June with our cappuccino. And July, of course, with a donut cake. And August with broccoli. I don't know why I put broccoli for August, but hopefully you like that. And September with some bread, and October, of course, with a ghost. And November with some yummy pumpkin spice latte, and December, of course, with Santa. Oh, I can't wait to keep drawing for you in 2022 and how time flies. And I just want to thank you, cuties, once again for all your love and support throughout the years. And I just want to say before I go that I love you, cuties. There, that's my notes and dates for the year. Thanks so much, cuties, and I love you. And definitely remember, just go to my website at drawstaycute.com once again and download everything for free. And happy 2022, and I can't wait to keep going and drawing more for you.